Hi guys, welcome back to Country Views. I have a great recipe for you guys. It is homemade, home-style peanut butter fudge with the marshmallow fluff. Do you guys all remember way back when we used the marshmallow fluff in it? Well, we're going back to the retro stage, guys. Here we go. You're going to start with your sugar and your milk in about a medium-sized saucepan. You want to get that warmed up. You want to pour a half a cup of milk in. And 2 cups of sugar. And you're going to bring this to a rolling boil, and you're going to let it boil for 3 minutes, okay? Let me grab out a spoon here for my stirring. We will do metal here. Actually, I'm going to do a whisk, you guys. So you want to whisk this in together, the sugar and the milk together, and you want to bring it to a rolling boil. Okay? The sugar will melt down with the milk once it gets heated through. So while this is heating up, I want to talk to you guys for a little bit here. I haven't been recording a lot because I actually was in the hospital for a week. I had some stuff going on, but I'm gradually starting to get better. So the more I get better, the more videos I will start posting again. Sorry about that, friends and family. Okay, so we got this all incorporated in. Now we're just waiting for it to come to a boil so we can boil it for 3 minutes. So you just want to keep whisking it until it gets real hot. And I'm actually going to turn this up so it can start to boil. This recipe is really simple and easy. I'm going to come over here and show you guys. I have a cookie sheet with a piece of wax paper on it, and I have the wax paper buttered. Don't use oil because then your fudge will taste like oil. But if you use butter, it should peel right off the paper. Wax paper is good anyways because you can peel it off of the paper anyways because it's kind of got a waxy texture. But butter just gives it that better flavor. You don't want a waxy taste. So this is starting to get heated. It has not come to a boil yet. I'm actually making this for my fiance's birthday. Yesterday was his birthday and I didn't get around to making it, so I'm making it today for him. So I'm whisking away. And you guys will not believe how super easy this recipe is. It takes a little while for it to come to a boil. Don't never leave your sugar and milk unattended for long periods of time because the sugar will burn. For all you new viewers, I just want to let you know I have an Instagram and a page called Country Views that you can visit. You can like, you can subscribe on my channel as well on YouTube. If you want to make a comment, you can. If there's something you want to see me make, comment below and let me know. Okay guys, so it's come to a rolling boil and I'm going to let it boil for about 3 minutes and I'm going to roughly just time it. But make sure you're constantly stirring it, you guys, because you do not want this sugar to burn. Okay? And I'm actually going to get a pot holder here because what we're going to be doing is once it's ready to come off the heat, we're going to take it off the heat, set it on here, and then we're going to add our peanut butter and marshmallow cream. Okay. So I'm gonna just keep stirring it here. Alright, so I think it's been about 3 minutes roughly. We'll shut the stove off, excuse me, and then we will go ahead and give it a few more stirs before we take it off the hot stove. Okay? So now, you want to bring it over here on your pot holder. Okay? Now you're going to add your marshmallow fluff, which I have about a little bit less than a full cup in here. If you want to put a full cup, I don't see anything wrong with it. I think it would probably be fine. Plus too, when you go to scrape it out of your container, sometimes you don't get it all either. I try to with my little handy dandy spatula thing here, but sometimes we just don't get it. I'm just going to continue to scrape that off here. Alright. And then I'm going to come over here. You can use any kind of creamy peanut butter that you want. Today I have Peter Pan, excuse me. This is 16 ounces. You want about 12 to 14 ounces. So I just took a little bit out of it. And I'm going to add the rest in here. And these work great for digging them out, you guys. Just keep scraping it all in there, okay? I mean, this is super easy. I don't know why everybody has to make it look so hard nowadays. Peanut butter fudge is really easy to make, even the Homestyle kind. Okay, we're almost there, friends and family. We get it all out of here. Get out of there, peanut butter. Little more, guys. Alright, I think we are probably there. So, what you're going to do is you're going to whisk this all in with the hot sugar and milk mixture, okay? And if you're using a whisk, make sure you're constantly going like this so you can get it all out of the whisk into here. Okay? See how it's gradually coming out, you guys? And it will thicken, so you got to be kind of quick about stirring it. Okay? We are almost there, you guys. So if you guys have any funny cooking stories or some recipes you'd like to share with me, go ahead and just comment on my YouTube channel, or you can comment on my page on Facebook as well. Okay? Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Oh, that's delicious. Okay, so this is what you want it to look like. Now you're going to come over here, which I think I'm going to bring my pan over here so you guys can see better. Okay, you want to take one of these to scrape it out, okay, because it has started to thicken. See how it's starting to thicken? Make sure you get it all out. You don't want to waste that creamy, marshmallowy, peanut buttery flavor, you guys. I'm telling you, this old-fashioned peanut butter fudge is divine. So now you're just going to take this and start smashing it out on your buttered dish. You don't have to use a cookie sheet, but I prefer to, just because I like to cut the peanut butter fudge in smaller, thinner chunks. See here. Get a little finger action in here. My hands are clean, guys. See how it's just starting to thicken really fast? That's what's great about the old-fashioned peanut butter fudge. It thickens really, really fast, and then it's ready to eat within an hour or two. It is amazing, I'm telling you guys. We're almost there, you guys. All right. Get a little hand action in here. I actually think my hands are gonna work better, you guys. You want to press it down in there while it's warm, because when it starts drying, you're not going to be able to press it down very good. Okay? You have any holes anywhere? Fill in them holes. Because you want, when you cut them into squares, you want them to cut good and nice. Okay? We are almost there. A little more here. See how I'm just pushing it in the corner? Kind of like a cookie dough, almost in a way. And you could make all kinds of things out of your fudge too once it sets up, which I will show you guys in another video. Okay? Alright guys, so that's what it should look like. It fits perfectly in this cookie sheet with your wax paper. Now once it dries, you should be able to take this, lift it out, and cut it into cubes. So once it dries, I will come back and I will cut it into cubes and let you guys know what it tastes like. Alright guys, I'm back. I went ahead and took the peanut butter fudge out. Looks like this. I went ahead and cut it up into squares. Look how thin the squares are, you guys. All right, taste for the truth. So good. It's creamy, not too hard, soft. It's just perfect. You can taste the marshmallow fluff, not too sweet. You taste the peanut butter. It's so good. Alright guys, sorry for talking with my mouth full. I want to thank you for visiting Country Views again. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you on my next video. Bye!